So default settings of OBS Studio, you don't have provide pause unpause option like my settings. So if you need to add pause unpause option on during recording videos or using OBS Studio, you need to go click left corner, go to settings, then go to output settings. Then on the recording section, you need to set just recording quality to must be set high quality medium file size, and then it will be show the pause and pause option in your side of stop recording. But if you set the recording quality is same as stream, then it will be not show you the pause and pause option. And keys for that, and so I have given just custom hotkey, just Control P for pause recording and Control U for unpause recording. So this section is disabled because I'm on the recording now. So for you it will be not disabled. So you for active this section, you need to disable the recording or stop the recording first, then you will able to change the recording quality, and then the pause and pause option will be appear here. So this is the basic settings, and this is how you can add pause and pause button in your OBS Studio. So I can pause and pause. Okay, I need to no unpause. So that is